Hello riders, it's Josh from CycleHunters.com. Today, we are looking at a workhorse, one of the most enjoyable staples of cruiser riding, the 2003 Honda Shadow 750. Now this is the Shadow 750 Ace, which is American Classic Edition. Basically, it's a more touring mentality styled bike with the handlebars a little bit kicked back like that. Just more of a relaxed ride. It has the chrome on it. This actually has aftermarket pipes. Has the pack for the rear. You can also see the classic styling for the tail, which is another mark of this style. Now, the other ones have more of the straight boat tail, as they'd say. It also has a little pack on the front. Overall, just a really good looking bike, very clean. And as we get into this, you're going to see pretty nice. So these are 745cc V-twins. They make 38 horsepower with about 47 foot-pounds of torque. This is a front disc and the chrome spoke wheel, liquid cooled engine as well. These are 5-speed V-twins. And it is shaft driven as well. Now you can see a little battery tender lead right there. And drum brake in the rear. Pretty clean bike overall, like I said. I mean, doesn't have a whole lot of mileage, and you'll see as we get into this. There's the pack. And the rear of the bike with your turn signals and brake light. Now this bike is carbureted. There's your choke. There's your fuel on and off. Let's see here. Oh yeah, you can kind of see there. We go. And this is actually chain driven, not shaft driven. Some have got the shaft, like the modern Furies and those bikes have it. You can see how clean this bike is. These are just fun to ride. They're super easy to ride. You know, low to the ground. They're not service intensive at all. They're Hondas. So you can really, you know, ride the thing, use it for what it's supposed to be used for. They're a lot of fun, no doubt. Just beautiful bikes. And the seat height's 25.9 inches. So it is a low seat height. I mean, you can kind of see right here. And this comes up to just about a little bit above my knee. So pretty low. Anybody that is a little shorter, you can easily get on these. Stand them up and feel pretty confident that you can get going, and once you get going, the weight goes away. It's just around parking lots and low speed, you know, maneuvering is usually where people have the problem. But something like this with that lower seat does make the difference. And it's just much better to be relaxed like that when you're riding for longer stretches and stuff. Here's your cluster. And key is down here. Turn that on. There we go. You can see high beam, low beam. That's kind of nice. You can see the left turn signal's working and the right turn signal's working. Let's do this in the rear. Here's your left rear. This will be right rear. Standard cancel, push it in. This is going to be foot brake. Stretching over to it, and handbrake. There we go. Controls, you know, super simple on this bike. There's, you know, we're talking a carbureted bike, so very analog. Your high beam, low beam, right here. Left, right turn signal. Cancel in the center, and your horn. We have, you have your neutral light, your indicator light, signal light, high beam, low beam. This is, let's see, there's your temperature gauge. This is oil temp. And let's see here. Now, this bike has 21,002 miles on it. You see your trip meter here. This is toggling through to that. All right, so we are in neutral. Check this baby out. Fire her up, which is really what we want to see. All right. Don't think I have to pull the clutch on this one. Gotta definitely make sure we're choked. Get the choke out. Here we go. Oh, gotta make sure the fuel's on too. Probably helps. I think we're good.
When we service your bike, we hand you a key, not a need to have a toolbox. How was that one?
Oh yeah, there we go. Even with the pipes on this bike, it's tolerable. It does give you that extra raspiness that is really good for some extra attitude on your bike. But this isn't ridiculous in terms of the overall sound that you get out of it. Obviously, when you do get on the gas, it's gonna blap harder, but it's not over the top. Sounds healthy. It's got a nice deepness to it. There we go. That's why you gotta choke them. Let them warm up. There you go. Oh, that sounds great. Yeah, it's always good. It's always good. Let me turn it off. Ignition. This is your fuel on off. Reserve is up top. Off is in the middle. And down is on. There's your choke right here. That's really all you need to know. Simple, fun, easy going, every day, jump on it and go cruiser. So now every one of our bikes gets a 48-point checklist. Battery tender lead. Basically, if the bike needs it, it gets it. You know, these are new tires on this bike. Great tread. We go through the charging system, oil filters, basic stuff. Like I said, if the bike needs it, it gets it. We don't skimp on it. We really just want you to have something that when you jump on it, you thumb the starter, you get going, and you enjoy your ride. And it makes it just that much better for everybody. And these bikes, they come detailed. We make sure that they're nice and clean. They're ready to roll. So all you got to do is just, like I said, thumb the starter and go have fun. Enjoy it. So, if you are digging this 2003 Honda Shadow 750 Ace, give us a call at 717-273-1809. You can see our list, our full list of inventory at www.cyclehunters.com. You can email us at cyclehunters@gmail.com. We do have some financing options available. We have aftermarket warranties available. We can ship bikes, and if you're close enough, in some cases we can deliver them. This is a busy time of the year right now. So jump on it, give us a call, Let us know what you're thinking. Like, comment, and subscribe. And hey, the weather's changing. It's getting nice outside. Keep in mind, you know, especially anybody that had snow on the roads prior, the stuff's starting to clear off of the roads when it rains. There's some silt that's still down, so be careful. And as you start to progress in through the spring into the summer, really enjoy your ride. And for your next bike, give us a check out. Look at us online, cyclehunters.com. But until the next bike, happy riding.